Chronic health conditions and your long-term care policy. Do you have a long-term care policy that you purchased so that you would not be a financial burden on your family if you became disabled? Unfortunately, as a long-term care attorney, I'm finding that chronic health conditions can impact a person's ability to perform the basic activities of daily living. Now, the activities of daily living are generally considered to be the standard of measure of your ability to do things that you take for granted every day, such as bathing, dressing, eating, transferring from chair to chair or from the toilet, and toileting, and continence issues. Now, many Americans mistakenly think that Medicare will provide long-term care services. The reality is that these services are limited in length and in the nature of the services to be provided. One way to protect yourself is to purchase a long-term care policy or to be covered under a long-term care plan through your employer. If you're doing that, I think that there are some policy terms that you need to consider. So regardless of whether you get it on your own or get it through your employer, you need to understand what benefits you might be eligible for and your options for purchasing benefits. There's no uniform policy in the United States, so that means that no two policies are the same. When you purchase an individual policy, you can customize that policy to provide for the type of care you want, such as in-home care, who provides that care, how they're paid, how long they're paid, whether there is an elimination period, and if so, how long. You also can customize it to meet your needs, including cost of living adjustments, because as we know, everything is going up in cost. Now, on the other hand, if your employer, like the state of California or Washington, offers a benefit package, that may also include a long-term care coverage. You could be the beneficiary of that plan and basically get whatever the state has offered to you in terms of coverage. In other words, you don't get to customize it, but certainly it's cheaper than going out to buying it on your own. If you have any questions about the nature of the policy that you should purchase, or more importantly, if you're thinking about filing a claim or that claim has been denied, it's time for you to call us at Cavey Law for policy review and advice as to how to go about setting up your claim properly so that benefits aren't denied, or if the benefits have been denied or terminated. Remember, you're only going to have a short window of time in which to file an appeal. That could be 30 days, 60 days. And if you let that opportunity go, you will be robbing yourself of the financial security that you purchased by getting this policy. You don't want to let that long-term care policy carrier rob you of your financial peace of mind. So give us a call at 727-894-3188. We can help you regardless of where you live in the United States.